At least 14 people were killed and more than 30 others injured in a devastating suicide bombing in Quetta, the capital of Pakistan's restive Balochistan province. The explosion struck late Tuesday night just as supporters of the Balochistan National Party were leaving a rally near Shawani Stadium. The gathering had been organized to mark the fourth death anniversary of veteran nationalist leader and former Chief Minister Sardar Ataullah Mengal. BNP chief Akhtar Mengal, who presided over the rally, escaped unhurt. But some of his close aides and party workers were among the victims. Speaking later, he said he was deeply heartbroken over the loss.
वाक़ा हुआ, हम स्टेज से नीचे उतरे थे, जो मेन गेट था उससे निकले थे, तकरीबन हम में और धमाके वाले में 15 से 20 फुट का फ़र्क था। तो वहाँ पे हमारे पार्टी के मरकज़ी रहनुमा नवाब नियाज़ ज़हरी की गाड़ी के साथ धमाका हुआ, जो खुदकश धमाका था।
Officials said the attacker detonated an explosives-laden jacket in the parking lot where people were leaving the stadium. Among the wounded were senior BNP figures including former legislator Mir Ahmad Nawaz Baloch and the party's Labour Secretary Musa Jan. Balochistan's Chief Minister Sarfraz Bukti condemned what he called a cowardly act of the enemies of humanity and ordered the best possible treatment for the injured. Security has been tightened across Quetta. In Islamabad, Interior Minister Mohsin Naqvi went further, blaming India-backed militants for trying to destabilize the country, an allegation New Delhi has consistently denied. Balochistan has long witnessed a low-level insurgency led by separatist groups like the Balochistan Liberation Army, who demand independence from the central government. While they have mostly targeted security forces and workers from Punjab, civilians too have often borne the brunt of the violence. In July, gunmen abducted and killed 9 passengers travelling from Quetta to Punjab province, an attack claimed by separatists. Though authorities insist the insurgency is subdued, Tuesday night's bombing shows that the cycle of violence in Balochistan remains unbroken. Its people still caught between separatist attacks, political instability, and an uneasy central government.